Want to turn your love for Bitcoin Cash into a potential crypto earning opportunity? First, you'll need a secure place to store your Bitcoin Cash, and that's where Safepal comes in if you don't already have one. Download the Safepal app from your app store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Open the app and create a new wallet. Make sure to write down your seed phrase and store it in a safe place offline. This is crucial for recovering your funds. If you ever lose access to your device, don't share your seed phrase with anyone. Now, let's talk giveaways. Look for Bitcoin Cash giveaways on social media, crypto forums, or directly from Bitcoin Cash projects. Many giveaways require you to have a Bitcoin Cash address ready to receive the funds. Inside your Safepal app, navigate to your Bitcoin Cash wallet and tap the Receive button. You'll see a QR code and your Bitcoin Cash address. This is the address you'll use to participate in giveaways. Carefully copy and paste your Bitcoin Cash address into the giveaway entry form. Double check that the address is correct before submitting, or you might lose your potential reward. If you're lucky enough to win a giveaway, the Bitcoin Cash will be deposited into your Safepal wallet. You can view your transaction history in the app to confirm receipt. Remember that giveaways are not guaranteed sources of income, but they're a fun way to potentially earn Bitcoin Cash. Participate responsibly, be aware of scams, and always prioritize the security of your Safepal wallet. Good luck.